We'll guide you through how to translate a video in HeyGen. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because tools like HeyGen simplify video translation, but many users need clear guidance to use them effectively. Content creators, marketers, and educators want to reach global audiences by converting videos into different languages quickly, without hiring translators or learning complex editing software, saving both time and effort. To translate a video in HeyGen, first open your web browser by clicking the Windows Start button on your computer, then select Google Chrome or any browser you use. Next, click on the search bar, type app.heygen.com, and press Enter on your keyboard to load the website. When the login page appears, choose Sign in with Google, then click your Gmail account and allow Google to access it by clicking Continue to proceed securely. After logging in, select the free plan so you can use the platform without pay. Once you reach the main dashboard, select the option labeled Translate Any Video to begin the translation process easily. You can then either paste a YouTube link into the provided field or click Browse Local Files to upload a video from your desktop. After your video is uploaded, click Advanced to adjust more detailed settings for better results. Next, click Choose Language to select your target language for the translation. For example, type German, then click it from the list of available options. After selecting the language, check Remove Background Sound if you want clearer audio, or leave it unchecked to keep the original background sound in the video. Once everything is set, click Translate to start processing your video. You will then need to wait while HeyGen generates the translated version, and this process may take longer if you are using a free account. After the video is finished, locate your project, click the three-dot icon next to the video name, then click Download to save it to your device. Finally, click Save to store the file on your desktop for easy access and future use. Make sure the downloaded file plays correctly by opening it on your computer and checking that the audio and subtitles match the selected language. Always keep a backup of your original video before making changes, and consider testing different language options to see which one gives the most natural-sounding results for your audience and content goals in future projects to ensure consistency and improve your editing workflow.